Hi hikers! The Ausangate Trek in Peru is one of the best multi-day hikes in the world. To be immersed in such beautiful natural surroundings, day in day out, is what dreams are made of. The 5-day Ausangate Trek takes in stunning sights like Rainbow Mountain, the Red Valley, and the Seven Lagunas of Ausangate. These are just 3 exceptional sections of this stellar trail that will leave you speechless. Ausangate is truly an astonishing place. Hiking the roughly 70-kilometre long trail is a must-do for keen trekkers heading to Peru. In this video, we'll show you the highlights of the 5-day Ausangate Trek. In the description below, you'll find the link for our informative guide on the 5-day Ausangate Trek. You'll also find other links for the specific guides that we wrote on visiting Rainbow Mountain, the Red Valley, and the Seven Lagunas of Ausangate. All of these guides provide much more information than this video does. We hope by watching this video, you'll be inspired to do the 5-day Ausangate Trek in Peru. You can then read our guides to help you plan your epic hiking trip to Ausangate. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Adios.